Dear students, welcome once again to this series of video lessons for Standard 4 Computer Science. In today's video lesson, you will learn about computer hardware and software. Some important points that we will cover in our lesson includes introduction to computer hardware and software, definitions, examples of computer hardware, types of softwares, an example of coordinated working between hardware and software. Introduction. In your previous lessons, you have studied that computer is a device which helps us to do our work with ease. Computers can be simple or they can be complex, but they are always made up of two components, hardware and software. So let us define computer hardware and software. Computer hardware. All physical parts of computer that you can see and touch, they are referred as computer hardware. Computer software. Collection of programs that helps user to work with computer is referred as computer software. Examples of computer hardware. As I said, all the physical parts of computer are referred as computer hardware. So keyboard, mouse, monitor, scanner, printer, and all such devices are called as computer hardware. Types of softwares. There are two types of softwares: system software and application software. System software. System software controls and manages the hardware. It also helps application software to run on the system. So system software is basically a software or collection of programs that acts as an interface between user and computer hardware. System software includes operating system, utility programs, and device drivers. Application software. These are the collection of programs which are designed for some specific purpose. It helps users to work with the computer. For example, Paint. It helps user to draw and color the pictures. MS Word, which helps user to write and edit text. Windows Media Player, which is used to see the videos. So these are all example of application softwares. Sometimes students ask me a question: what is more important, whether hardware or software? Hardware and software both are equally important, and no one is more important than the others. When hardware and software works in coordination, then only we can do some meaningful work in the computer. Basically, computer is a device which works on IPO cycle. IPO means input. User used to give the input to the computer. Input can be given through various input devices. When input goes in the computer, some instructions are given. Based on those instructions, input will be processed, and after the processing is complete, the output of the process will be given back to the user. So while following this IPO cycle, computer hardware as well as software both work in coordination. For example, I will show you some examples in the window on your right hand side. See this animation so that it will be clear how computer works and how there is a coordinated effort between hardware and software. Four two six one. Now suppose these numbers we are inputting through a keyboard. Along with this, we are giving one instruction: add these numbers. Now the process will be carried out in the CPU and the result will be shown on the monitor. Another example, we are giving few names through keyboard. Along with it, we are giving the instructions to arrange these names in alphabetical order. Process will be carried out inside the CPU and output will be shown on the monitor. Now in both these examples, we are giving the input through the keyboard, which is a hardware device. This input will go in the CPU along with the instruction. Those instructions will be carried out by using an application software as well as system software inside the CPU. So giving the input is a work of hardware. When input goes inside the CPU, then software comes into action. Process will be carried out. Once the process is over, results will be displayed on the monitor. So again, the monitor is a hardware device. So in this way, while doing any work, there will be a coordinated efforts between hardware and software. So in this way, as I said, both hardware and software are equally important in the computer. Now let us recap the important points that you have learned in today's lesson. Computer consists of hardware and software. All physical parts of computer is referred as hardware. Collection of program is called software. System software and application software are two types of computer softwares. So this is all about computer hardware and software. I hope you all have understood the today's topic. Next week we will learn about some other topic like TuxPaint. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care.